you say would be like a good starting, like 5,000, like to start off trading?
With real money?
So like, yeah.
Yeah, well, from what I've learned, ideally you want to start with 20,000 British pounds, but I don't even have that. I've started with 11,000, and then I added a little bit more this week, and it's at 16,000. I'm trading with a 16,000 fund. 10,000 just isn't enough to cover the fees. You'll be more concerned about breaking even instead of actually making real profits.
Like what I'm currently thinking is that I'm probably going to have to wait a bit and then try and get like move around within, say, like Deloitte or something, and try and get my wages up.
Yeah.
To then save more money and then be in a better position to be able to trade.
Yeah, I know what you mean. That's a good idea. I spent most of my money earlier this year buying graphics card for mining, but as time went on, mining cryptocurrencies became non-profitable. So in a way, I kind of wasted quite a bit of my money from, from crypto mining.
You did like a whole setup, so you didn't have to do anything.
Yeah, that's true. But now it's like I had to kind of start again. So I had to focus on my YouTube, just save up, ready to deposit money into my trading account. So for you, it may take time, save up, and then once you're satisfied enough, it's definitely worth it. The realized P&L, that's how much we make. However, because there's fees involved entering and exiting a trade, it's usually £18. Because $10 enter, $10 exit. In pounds, that would be £18 altogether. Yeah, so for me, I made £103. Take away 18 equals, I made £85 today.
What?
Yeah.
That's around about the same I earn a day.
Oh well. I guess, being a trader really allows you to make more money than any like average or jobs around, because you have full control over how much you can make depending on how much you put into your funds.
Yeah, thanks for sort of like teaching me a bit.
Yeah, sure. I mean, it's pretty fun doing this, and I'm glad that you took interest in day trading, because day trading is pretty much a high value skill. A lot of people make a lot of money from doing this, and it's definitely not something the average person would be doing in their spare time.
Because technically you only have to spend like half an hour of your day just like quickly jumping in at 2:30 and then waiting, and then literally like within 5 minutes, like like what it was today.
Yeah. Yeah, it's less like, it's stress-free when you have guidance and the setup is there, and you're only doing it for less than half an hour, and then you make such money in one day. It's insane. It's a good feeling, but it also teaches you about handling emotions. Try not to over leverage and over trade. You're minimizing the risk. That's the whole point in winning, being profitable over the course of time. There's always going to be a tomorrow. If you force a trade because you missed out for today, then you may get emotional and overtrade and go out of your principles.